Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. When do you know it's time to make your own experimental horror films? When you want something new on the market to suit your own tastes? And here at Morbid Team Entertainment, that's what we intend to do. Making new and exciting, underground, avant-garde horror films. And, of course, we're shooting on film, 8mm, 16mm, motion pictures, 60s and 70s style. That's what I enjoy. And when you do this type of work, that's what you want to do, what you enjoy. If there's any film, any movie that disgusts me, besides Hollywood, that is, Hollywood movies, is a movie that I intend to check out and I find out it's shot on digital, which is a large majority of the movies that come out today. No offense to any other directors, I just really discuss digital movies. I don't like the high quality, where I can see the grains of makeup on the actors' faces. I enjoy the dropout pops, noises, and scratches, shallow depth of field of celluloid film. The total vintage look of 60s and 70s style of celluloid film. And that filming style. And a lot of other people do as well. There's a big fan base for it. So we here at Morbid Team Entertainment hope to capture your fan base and your attention with our experimental films. Lots of blood, lots of gore, and lots of surrealism. Do check us out, starting in the Philippines in 2023. Do subscribe to the Morbid Team Entertainment YouTube channel. Share and put a like on our videos. Do join the Morbid Team Entertainment Barter Buy and Sell group and put a like on our page. Morbid Team Entertainment. This is Paul Morbid. Thanks a lot and bye-bye.